Squire is a falcon, so I'm going to bring him out now. He's a falcon. All right, so coming out, Squire. There we go. He's a Lanner falcon.
Come on now.
They are beautiful birds. They
you know
really
what birds
are.
like? Small objects. What's happening, Jimmy?
Oh, here we go. Here he goes. Here, so this is Ping and Pong, and they are absolutely adorable. Hey guys, hello, guys. These are the smallest otters in the entire world. Whoops!
He's eating.
He's eating
the
me
microphone.
now. Ping and Pong. Now
Hi,
they
buddy.
actually have the finest fur in the world. Oh, he's giving you a kiss.
I think he almost did, or bit me. He almost bit me.